Hello and welcome back to One Lifetime Travel once again. Over the last few days we have been pretty busy preparing our visas and accommodation and flights for our upcoming travels to Vietnam, Malaysia, Bali and finally New Zealand for a year. So we've not had a lot of time to get out and about and show you the incredible country that Thailand really is. However, as we have embarked on this journey as digital nomads, we are going to show you how to set up your very first e-business as easy as anything and with zero upfront cost. So stay tuned, watch the video, like and subscribe for any more future tips as we learn ourselves about this whole industry, and we appreciate your feedback. Thank you and hope you enjoy.
First of all, you're going to want to go to printify.com. This is a print-on-demand company that print anything from mugs to t-shirts and everything in between. Go ahead and sign up. Once you have signed up, you will get through to a page like this, where you'll be able to go through the catalogue and select the product that you want to start designing. Ideally, you want to find the supplier who delivers to your target location. Once you have picked the supplier, you'll be able to start designing your t-shirt, shirt or mug, whatever you've chosen. You'll go through to a page like this where there are many pre-made designs you can use. Ideally, you want to use Canva. There are many pre-made designs on Canva. It is a simple app that can be downloaded from the App Store, Google Play Store or wherever you get your apps. Once downloaded, I would recommend get going for a t-shirt logo template and then removing whatever parts you don't like and editing, so forth and so forth. This is a quick design I've made up just to show you how to do this process. When you finish designing, you're going to want to press download and upload back on Printify. So head back over to Printify and upload your design to Printify. Once your design has uploaded, you're going to need to crop it down to the right shape. Alternatively, you could use a background remover online. However, this would involve uploading, downloading, and whatever viruses come with that is obviously the potential risk of that. I prefer just to crop simply once back in Printify. Once you're happy with your design, place it in the right location and save the product. Once you've done that, hit the preview button in the top right hand corner and you will be able to see what your product would look like in real life via the Printify mockups. If you want to add some more colourful options to your t-shirts, then head back to Edit and you'll be able to find the colours on the right hand side. The amount of colours available will depend on your supplier. Once that is complete, you want to head through and check your advert out. Make sure that it complies and all the pricing is right, your descriptions are done, you've got keywords in your titles and you're ready to save as draft. For the next step, you're going to want to head over to Etsy. Now I've picked Etsy UK because that's where I'm from. You want to go ahead and set up a shop. When setting up your shop, you're going to want to pick a catchy name. So something to do with your product and generally the area you're going into. So for this, it'll be clothing or t-shirts. Once you have that set up, you're going to want to head back over to Printify, and in the top left hand corner it will tell you that you can connect a store. It will take you through to a new page where you will find the Etsy icon on the page. Follow the link, put in your details and voila, your stores are linked. After that, you're going to want to head back over to your Printify store, copy your design and move it to your Etsy store. This makes it easier to publish directly to Etsy. Once in there, you want to go through, check out your advert, check out your mock-ups, make sure everything is in order and finish by publishing to Etsy. Once you've hit publish, you'll be able to find your designs updated straight to your Etsy store, adverts included.
And it is as easy as that. Within minutes, you will have your first online business ready to grow and flourish. This is something that you can do yourself by Facebook advertising, growing a social media for your page, or advertising in other locations. Alternatively, you might get lucky and Etsy might throw your search results up at the top, but that is the luck of the draw. So for more tips, more information, and how to advertise your product later, follow, like, subscribe.